see. Today is Sunday and now we're heading to get some lunch. And after that I need to do like tiny shopping, stroll around the city center, and then in the evening we'll go on a football match. So you go with us?
Look, all these people are waiting for the football match. It's raining outside, so they're waiting in a shopping center. They are also shouting, which feels a little bit scary for me because I'm not used to such big crowds here in Porto. Anyway, let's keep moving. Hi, it's Marie from Future. I'm editing this video right now and I want to give you some explanation what will be next and why I am so happy. So yeah, let's start from the beginning. Like in the previous video, I showed you that we've ordered a couple of things from Ikea, like a lot of things, and that was like all necessities. Like we had a bed, we had tables, we had carpets for the living room and for the bedroom. It was important for the dog. So yeah, and we assembled it and we spent like quite a sum for this delivery, and we decided that like other things like shelves we can order a little bit later, so the next month. And here will be like next you will see the footage from the second delivery. And we were living without shelves, without proper organization for a couple of months at that time, for a couple of weeks at that time. And you will see how happy I was to organize everything, like to put everything in a proper place. So yeah, that was like not that big delivery. It was smaller with some shelves, but still I had time and energy at that day to film it and show it to you right now. Let's dive into the vlog.
Hi guys, we just had a delivery from Ikea and I want to show it to you. Let's go! This will be a sofa and some other things. Can't wait to assemble all of these things and put them in the right place.
This is shelf number 1. Before, all the products were just sitting on the floor, which was very inconvenient for both using them and cleaning the bathroom. Now everything is well organized and I can buy more products without worrying about running out of space. The carpets fit perfectly, both the medium and the smaller one. I also added another shelf for beauty products. Right now they are all over the sink, but I'm planning to move them over the shelf for a more organized look.
I just feel so happy because of all the shelves. We were waiting for them for, for a couple of weeks now, I think. Yeah, for 2 weeks. And it's so great that we can put all our stuff like in a proper place. We won't live in a mess anymore. Amazing. Amazing. I need to clean here a little bit, but overall it looks much better.
The room is still a bit of a mess. Please ignore the stuff from another room. Over here we have a bedside shelf. I love its color and shape. I'm going to put all my bedside necessities like magazines, creams, pills in it. Wow, it looks so neat and nice now. And here is another shelf. The closet in the background is pretty small, so we decided to place a shoe shelf in front of it. Now I feel that our shoe situation is getting more organized as well. This is our second time building a life from scratch in a new apartment. It feels a bit easier this time, especially with Ikea. You already know how things look and your preferences, and you can even get the same items you had in your previous place. However, this time was pretty tough for us. We were constantly juggling work, paperwork, deliveries, and assembling furniture. Plus, we had a week without water. We were waiting for the water company to process our contract and send someone to connect us to the system. We are still figuring our life in Porto. We haven't had much time to explore, not yet, but we are making an effort whenever we can. I'm really grateful for what we have here. Once we finish all the necessary setup, we definitely deserve a break.
I'm checking in to say that today I was super tired after work and we decided to have a nice walk to the river, want to buy a book, to get something nice to eat, to drink coffee, decaffeinated coffee by the way, and to chill. That's my plan or not a plan, we'll see for today's evening.
Frankly speaking, I don't remember what happened that day. If I got my book, if I drank coffee, if I got some food, really, I don't remember. But in a couple of days, I finally went to the Lello Bookstore. This is a very famous bookstore. It is famous because of John Rowling. She was inspired by the interior of this bookstore. It is very beautiful. I took a couple of pictures there. I'll put it somewhere here. I've tried to film there, but the quality of the video is not that good, so I won't show it to you. The ticket is quite pricey. It's like 8 euros, I believe. But you can spend this 8 euros in the shop. And I decided to buy there the book. And of course, it will be a Harry Potter book. This is the first one. This is an illustrated book, and it was all the illustrations were created by Mina Lima. I think it's also quite famous now. It was designed and illustrated, by Mina Lima, and I want to show a little bit of inside from this book. So I want to go to it now, and I think somewhere in between I will film this book for you. This is very beautiful. I finished this book maybe a month ago. I really enjoyed it, and I want to buy the second and the third. I think they published only the first 3 of the series, but they will continue because this is a lot of work, I can say. So let's go to grab some francesinha and to take a look what's inside this book. In my opinion, this book is a piece of art. So let's take a look. We won't go through the whole book. I'll show you just a couple of pages here. This is the first one, designed and illustrated by Mina Lima. Just take a look. There are beautiful illustrations, very beautiful. And I also like this, I don't know how it's called, but you can play with them around. And it is, of course, connected with the plot of the book. So, this is, I'm sorry, it's not that easy to do it with one hand. It was really pleasure to read this book, to play around with everything inside, with all these interactive things. By the way, this one is a real letter, so you can find it there. So I want to buy the second and the third book. I told you about it. So now I have the first one. And this is, very memorable that I bought it in the Lello shop. So let's go and eat francesinha.